Encoder is the latest email encryption system which can provide security to individuals, freelancers, small businesses, and also to medium and large corporations by encrypting email before it gets to your mailbox. It works by receiving all your messages. We check for spam and for viruses, and if everything checks out okay, we encrypt it using your secure key. Only you have the password to your key. We have a zero knowledge policy, so we can't even decrypt your emails ourselves. Once we've encrypted your email, we then send it to your mail server, your web hosting email server, or to your email provider. And if you use Gmail, Hotmail, Office 365, or similar, we still have you covered with an email address to forward your encrypted email to your usual email address. Interested? Do you want to know more? Visit us at encoder.com or email hello@encoder.com today.